Traders, what's up? It's another Monday market breakdown. It is April, the last week of April, so I hope everyone had a good month. But we hit off on a lot of our projections for last week. We assumed that this euro was going to come up into this consolidation here and sell off, and now we fell back down. So let's do some analysis for our three pairs for this upcoming week. So right now we're sitting right here at this 38.2% retracement. I'll show it up for you. Um, and this is nearing a fairly large weekly level. There's like a really substantial weekly close and open right under this 38.2. So we could potentially start to see some market activity to the buy side, but my projections is that really this thing's probably going to range for a little bit. I don't see it breaking too far past this 38.2. And I see it kind of just consolidating right here at the highs that just are seemingly impossible to break at this $1.14 level, right? So we could really see this thing range around in those two levels there until we might see some buy or sell signals come to fruition. But until then, guys, I'm just gonna assume just if you want to play the range, you can do that. But for me, I'm really kind of pulling back for the euro when it comes to swinging. And if I get any day trading setups at the bottom of the range, I'll probably play that to the middle or to the top. Okay. So that's us for the euro. Not too much going on. For the Aussie, this is a weekly of the Aussie. Well, if we pull back and check out the weekly for the Aussie, we came right up into the 38.2 retracement that I mentioned in the Monday market breakdown. I'll tag it below. And so we fell off, right? So, and right now, again, we're sitting. So this Aussie seems to have a lot of momentum right now. And we want to see some buy. We want to see. I want to see some buyer activity before I say, hey, let's buy the Aussie back up again. Because if we look at the daily, we get to see a little bit more of the consolidation that's kind of been happening. The market's somewhat slowing down, right? So we could start to see this thing again consolidate up here in these highs, and then slowly maybe start to break levels, and then maybe push back down into the lows here, maybe at the 75, in the high 75s, mid 75s. So that could see that's what I want to do. That's what we could potentially see. All right. So until then, not too much of a strong signal this Monday. We'll see how the market adds up, and I'll follow up later on this week. And for this GBPUSD, crazy choppy market. I mean, if you were swinging this thing, you had some good opportunities because just the GBP moved so much. I mean, this is a 600 pip move right here, 700 pip move right there, right? So, you do have your runs in the market, and right now we're on a run, we're on a rip, right? And so the GBP for the past 3 weeks has moved right around 500 pips, and we seem like we're about to break the CTL. We could buy the GBP back up into the highs of the $1.47s. I mean the low $1.47s, high $1.46s. Okay, so that's what I'll be potentially looking to do. Now, if we don't break this TL here, well then we're just going to continue to consolidate all up in this area. And a consolidated GPP is a hard one to day trade, man. It's a hard one to day trade. So we'd like to see it, pick a direction. If it comes up into these highs, well then we want to see it break and bust. And if it holds here, if this resistance level holds, well then, again, we'll probably flow back down to this middle $1.43 level. All right. So, all right, guys, stay safe in the markets. Do not over leverage those accounts. And I'll follow up again with the Wednesday hump day breakdown, and then we'll see what happened. Ended up adding up at the Friday highlights. All right, guys. So your profit is my motive. Let's dominate the market. I'm out.